Hey there, friends. Jess and Cliff here, and today we're talking about electric cooktops. These sleek surfaces are a breeze to clean, and we've got the tips to keep yours sparkling. Right, Cliff? Electric cooktops are smooth operators. Literally, just wipe clean and you're done. But here's a pro tip. When using it for the first time, clean it with a ceramic cooktop cleaner. It'll help protect the surface and keep it looking good as new. Now, a word of caution. Don't heat the cooktop until it's clean, or those marks could become permanent. If residue gets burned on, let it cool, then use a non-scratch cleaning pad with ceramic cooktop cleaner. For heavy-duty messes, check the use and care manual. And though it's tempting, try not to slide pots and pans across the cooktop. It'll leave metal markings, but accidents do happen. So if you do, that trusty ceramic cleaner will come to the rescue. Be mindful not to place baking pans or frozen entree boxes on a hot cooktop. They'll leave marks too. And those knobs, pop them in the dishwasher or hand wash them. Just make sure they're dry and in the off position when you put them back. Safety first. For stainless trim, warm, sudsy water or a stainless steel cleaner will do the trick. And always wipe in the direction of the grain. And there you have it. With these tips, your electric cooktop will stay looking fabulous.